One.
Satellite known as Moon. Moon is made up of
The
rocks
story name is The Princess and the Pea.
Very good.
And hence Christmas and the son has written this book.
Very
And
good.
there are 221 total pages. And the front cover of this book, there is a bed and a princess is sleeping on that bed, and the name of this story is written in white color, and at the back cover of this book, uh, the background is orange, and one more photo of that front cover is given, and
Very
the story name is also there, and the price of this book is rupees 30.
Very good.
And there is some little information about the story at the back cover. Um,
હા માન્ય વેરી ગુડ.
yeah, that's it.
બીજો કોઈ પિક્ચર્સ કે એવું કંઈ બુકમાં?
The characters are first teddy bear, and the princess. There are three colors in one page, starting one page, and
બીજા કોઈ પિક્ચર્સ યાદ રહ્યા હોય એવું માન્ય?
I think her father.
વેરી ગુડ.
Yes, the children are going to school.
સ્ટોરી કે એવું કંઈ માન્ય? ડન. ઓકે.